y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings, live streams, giveaways. Our unboxings can range from beauty, lifestyle, home decor, pets, candles, snacks. I do all kinds of unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription boxes, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Guys, as always, if you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, we do have 2 active giveaways right now. They will both be linked down below. We have our holiday appreciation giveaway and our thrift a bag holiday giveaway. So anyway, today's video, we have luxury scent box. So they did kindly send me some more perfume, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this subscription and we'll see what they sent me. So luxury scent box obviously is a perfume subscription. Now they have a couple different plans. They do have a $15 a month plan, and they have over 500 different brands. It is free shipping. They do have men and women, so they have men's cologne, they have women's perfume. And you do fill out like a short survey to kind of let them know what you like, and it will give you recommendations so you can build your calendar so that it'll ship every month. Or you can actually go in and actually physically select what you want from their choices. Now, it is 100% authentic brands, and your first month includes a reusable case. Otherwise, after that, you'll get a new case each season. So every 3 months, you'll get a new case. And they do have a premium plan that is $18 a month. That will get you a new case every month and exclusive access to other scents. I have a promo code, Southern Mom, which is going to get you 35% off. So you could get your first month of the $15 plan for $9.75 with free shipping. So I will make sure to put a link to Luxury Scent Box down below, as well as that promo code. So definitely head over, check them out. If you're looking for a gift for a man or a woman, this will fit because they have cologne and perfume. So let's see what they sent me. I have no clue, but it does always come in this beautiful, holographic package. It's always fun to open your mailbox and see something sparkly. So let's see what we got. Now, not to show you my address, but they did put a little sticker. It says Season's Greetings. That's nice. Oh, there's some, I pulled out squigglies. I didn't even realize there were squigglies in there. All right. Squigglies. Okay. So it looks like I have 3. This says add-on, Love Life with Perfume. Choose any fragrance during the month, only $18. Includes case and free shipping. Ships 2 to 4 business days after order is placed. Discover a new scent. Okay, so that may just, I guess maybe that's just their, and then it comes with the Love Life with Perfume. That's just their logo. It just shows you how to use the case. You twist it to open it, and then you can also just pull out the different fragrance to swap them out. So, and then they do include a cute little velour bag, drawstring bag. So if you want to toss it in your purse or something, you can do that. So I think that's a nice touch as well. But let's get in here and see what 3 scents I got, because like I said, I have no clue. So we will just start with the first one. Now it looks like mine all have cases, and the first one is purple, and you can see it has their logo. So let's see. This is, Memoise Luxuria? I have no idea. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, that smells really good. I definitely pick up musk and vanilla. That smells really good. The only thing I wish there was something in here that told me about the scents. But that smells really good. I definitely pick up a vanilla, a musk, almost like a woodsy. I don't know. It's a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. It smells really good. I really like that. So, but how you would put it in here. This is what that thing was talking about, and then you twist. So there, it's ready to go. Oh wait, no. Maybe if I paid attention. Well, okay, and then look, and then you just pull it out. So that was the first one, and it does smell really, really, really good, you guys. I mean, that smells amazing. So let's see what box number 2 has. All right, so we have a blue case this time. Really pretty blue. So you just twist it up, pull it out. And this is Nativa St. Thomas. So let's give this guy a sniff. I feel like I need coffee, like to. Okay, that smells good. However, it's not really a scent I would wear. It definitely has a floral. It's got floral notes. It does smell good, but it's just not something I personally would wear. But I do think that it smells really, really good. So what I may do is stick this in our holiday giveaway. So one of you can hopefully enjoy it. Hopefully one of you guys like florally perfumes, and if that's the case, then guess what? You're getting one. All right, so let's see what our last one is. Oh, I feel fancy. It's a gold top, yo. I like this because like this is almost like a matte, but it's smooth, and then the shiny top. I really do like the packaging. So let's pop it up. And Comptoir Sud Pacifique Vanilla Apricot. So I'm assuming this is going to be like a vanilla apricot something. So let's give her a snifferoo. Oh, oh, that smells good. I know this perfume. What is this? I've smelled this before. Now it's going to bug me because I've smelled this before. This smells so good. I cannot think of what this is. But it smells fantastic. I think all three smell really good. It's just the one in the blue case. This one, like I said, because it's more of a floral, I just don't typically reach for floral scents. I prefer vanilla, musky, amber, things like that when it comes to perfume. So these two right here, dead on. Like, I love these so, so much. Like, they smell fantastic. Just so, so good. And like I said, this does smell good. It's just not a scent that I personally would wear. So this will be added to our holiday subscriber appreciation giveaway. But yeah, I love the simplicity of this. You get to try the different perfumes. So like I said, I will put a link down below to Luxury Scent Box and that promo code. So definitely save some money if you do decide to give them a try. Like I said, they have the $15 a month plan, and then with the $18 a month, you do get a case every month and exclusive access to different perfumes, in addition to the regular perfumes that they have. So let me know what you think down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.